Okay, guys, now it's time to talk about edit as one of the amazing feature of Nano Banana. So what we can do, we can redefine iteratively our image. So if we select this image as a reference, we can basically, oh, sorry, wrong. So let's select it from here. As you can see, we have some, let's enlarge it a bit. So we can use a rectangle selection, for example, and we can say focus on rectangle one from 9 to 90 horizontally and vertically. Replace the text unleash reality with another reality. Let's try this one. So for the ratio is been detected because we will be always detected from the image reference. So let's edit this image. See, as you can see, it brilliantly replaces the text to another reality, and we have the same image, as you can see. Now we'll do a little bit of refinement for the ratio. uh, I need to do a bit work more with the code, but we'll solve it. Don't worry. So this one is the first refinement you can do, but also you can use, for example, brush. Uh, let's use brush for this one. So we can see focus on painted area 2 point. Replace the game console with another type. Okay. Why it has to be like this? Because it is doesn't contemplate. Okay, we have to select the image again. Yeah. So now it's good to go. Let's see. We say to replace this part here. Okay. As you can see, it replaces the game console. It gives another style, and which is blended with the original style. So you can redefine as much as you want here, and it's such a great feature. So after you have, for example, you have other example of things you can do with edit, and also you have edit examples. So if you have a picture, you want to add a sunset, you want to change color, you want to change color to this poster. So let's select it from canvas. This one we remove it, and now we want to change the color. Change the color to blue. As you can see, we have perfectly the same poster, but it's blue this time. So you can create a variation. You can create one blue, one yellow, one green. The colors you like. Also, you can remove objects. You don't want this one anymore. For example, you want something else. So let's select it again. Selected. This one we close it. So let's paint it the brush. This time we want to clear focus. Um, so remove the objects. Remove. No, sorry. Let's do it again. This one. So we take this one, select from canvas. Let's paint it with the brush. Focus on the points. Remove the game console. As you can see now, we have a cleaner poster, and it's so cool, because if we want to add some 3D rendering, for example, this one we can take it as the background and after apply the 3D shape in here. So you can do great stuff with this method. Also, you can apply another artistic style over and over. You can extract prompt. For example, if you select it here and you take a selection from canvas, now you can extract the prompt. Let's see, analyzing. If you want to steal some prompt from different images, you bring it here. You have detected prompt, rich futuristic video game console advertisement, pixel art style, 8-bit aesthetics, heatwave, and also it gives you the titles and subtitles of the image. After we can vectorize, let's use maybe this one because it's a bit simple part of this part. So if we want to vectorize it, this is an amazing feature from Recraft technology. As you can see, everything is editable. Now it's a bit complicated scene. In my opinion, it really works with more simple stuff, but it's a feature you have in our plugin, so you can use it. After we want to remove the background, let's find probably, no, this one is, let's find something. Yeah, let's take this one, for example. So we want to remove the background. Let's select it from the canvas, remove. Okay, as you can see, bang, we have removed background. You have a native Figma integration as well, but depends if you are inside this plugin and you want to use it, you are free to use it. And now, for example, let's do an upscaling. This upscaling, it's also Recraft. I really like it compared it to the other upscaler because it gives a really good result. As you can see here, you have before and after. Check the details. Okay, add to canvas. I add it to the canvas. So you have a cheaper, you know, plus you have, you reduce the noise, is more sharp, the picture, and you can use it if you need more details. And also, to finish our tutorial, we can take, for example, this one. We go also animate is another amazing feature we have. So we want to animate it, and what we want to do, make the car rotate the wheels and apply some snow coming from the top. Where, for example, if it's transparent background, now we leave it like this, and we start in generating. As you can see, we created an amazing GIF. You know, the wheel are spinning, and we have a little bit of snow. So you can export it as a GIF, or you can add it directly to the canvas. And here you go, guys. Also, I would like to introduce you. I'm working for a web app so soon. You will be able to export your creation with this CTA, and I will make another tutorial because the idea is to be focused on images inside Figma, but also you can export back and forth from Figma to our web app to add videos. So you can create, you can use a VO3, you can use other AI models to create videos. So this is it, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope you will have fun with my plugin. Thank you very much.